How much do you think these kitchen cabinets cost? 20 grand? 15? 10? How about $7,200? My name is Dino with Edenza Kitchen Bath. Today, we'll be giving you a full rundown how much each cabinet costs and exactly what you can expect. Let's go. Let's start with this classic 9-foot island. 3-drawer base 30, $475. Moving on, sink base 36, $275. 24-inch space for a dishwasher. Last but not least, we've got the base 15, drawer on top, door on the bottom, $245. It wouldn't be a grand island without storage and seating in the back. Here we've got a 36-inch wide cabinet, a 33, and another 36, totaling for $775. So please don't skip on the extra storage. It's worth every single dollar. Follow me along to the main part of the kitchen here. On the right-hand side of the range, we have a base 36 cabinet, 2 drawers on top, 2 doors on the bottom, and a dividing shelf. A very great way to space out your cutlery with these 2 drawers. $475 is this cabinet. Going along to the microwave base 30 cabinet, factory cutout hole on the top for your microwave appliance, and a fully functional drawer on the bottom. $375. Wrapping up with the last of the base cabinets here in this L-shaped kitchen, we've got this base wastebasket 18 cabinet. Full pull out on the bottom with 2 containers and a fully functional drawer up top. $410. This is a must-have cabinet, guys. Moving on, the most sought after cabinet, the 3-drawer base. Smaller drawer up top for cutlery, 2 bigger drawers in the middle and the bottom. $475. Corner cabinet, blind base, $410. Opens up like so. Last but not least, we have this base 36 cabinet on the left-hand side of the range. 2 drawers up top, 2 doors on the bottom with a dividing shelf, $475. There you have it with the base cabinets. Spendy, but worth every penny. This is the guy that's gonna drive you into debt, but not really. $660 for this 18-inch wide, 8 feet tall pantry with fully adjustable shelves. This is a must-have cabinet, guys. 24 inches deep, you can store a lot of stuff in here. Moving on to the above fridge cabinet, 36 inches wide, 24 inches tall, 24 inches deep, $265. This can be used to store all your miscellaneous things. I'm not gonna get into too much detail here about the wall cabinets because you pretty much get the point. Soft closing doors, adjustable shelving. All of these Euro matte white cabinets that you see behind me are $1,590. Last but not least, when placing your order online, please do not forget your end panels. All of the unfinished ends do need panels. Do not forget, if you do need help, our design team is available to you Monday through Friday, 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Ready to assist, draw out your kitchens, and help with any general questions you may have. Thank you so much for watching, and we hope to see you soon at edenzacabinets.com. Bye-bye now.